This review is based on a comprehensive collection of user feedback from across the internet, providing a detailed and balanced perspective on the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack, designed to hold up to 30 cans. This soft backpack cooler is insulated, leak-proof, waterproof, and intended for travel, lunch, picnic, beach, work trips, and other outdoor activities. The product aims to combine practicality with comfort and durability, making it a versatile choice for anyone needing to keep food and drinks cold or warm for extended periods. The Vankor Cooler Backpack stands out due to its thoughtful design and multi-purpose storage capabilities. Users appreciate the main compartment's capacity, which comfortably fits a variety of drinks and snacks, while the two side mesh pockets provide additional space for beers, wines, or other beverages. The front pocket is useful for smaller items such as tissue packs, wipes, snacks, or personal belongings like cell phones. This organization helps keep essentials easily accessible and separate from the cooler contents. One of the key features praised is the backpack's leak-proof lining, made from premium quality PVA with hot, seamless pressing. This lining is designed to maintain the freshness of food and the temperature of drinks, whether cold or warm. Many users find the material durable and the stitching sturdy, contributing to the bag's long service life. The waterproof exterior also adds to its functionality, making it suitable for camping, picnicking, and other outdoor uses where exposure to moisture is common. The backpack's dimensions are convenient for travel, including air travel, as it fits within typical carry-on size limits. This makes it a practical choice for road trips, beach days, hiking, and work outings. When not in use, the cooler bag folds up compactly, saving storage space. Performance-wise, the backpack generally receives high marks for keeping contents cold for several hours. Users report that with the addition of ice packs or ice, the cooler maintains cold temperatures effectively throughout the day. Some have noted that the bag still had ice left after a full day outdoors, which is a strong indicator of good insulation. The zipper quality is also frequently mentioned as reliable and smooth. Comfort is another strong point. The backpack is designed with a mesh back panel that helps reduce heat buildup on the wearer's back, making it more comfortable to carry for extended periods. The size is considered ideal by many users, large enough to hold a substantial amount, but not so bulky as to be cumbersome. However, there are some drawbacks noted by users. While the bag is advertised as leak-proof, a few reviewers experienced issues with condensation or minor leaks when ice melted, especially if ice packs were not sealed properly. This sometimes resulted in moisture reaching the wearer's back. Some wished for additional features, such as a pocket on the lid flap for extra storage. Despite these minor issues, the overall consensus remains positive. The backpack's aesthetic appeal is also appreciated, with some users mentioning attractive designs and colors that suit their personal style. It is noted to be easy to clean, with water and spills running off the surface without much effort. In terms of value, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is seen as affordable and offering good quality for the price. It is versatile enough to be used for various activities, including hiking, dog walking, sports trips, camping, and everyday lunch carrying. Its lightweight nature and durable construction make it a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is a well-made, practical, and comfortable cooler bag that meets the needs of many users looking for a portable and effective way to keep their food and drinks at the desired temperature. While not perfect, its strengths in insulation, storage, and comfort outweigh the minor issues reported. If you own this cooler backpack, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.